Hey, it's Alex, the CEO of Motoroso.com, your dedicated auto parts marketplace. It's SEMA 2019, and we're continuing our coverage of awesome new products and builds, and we're in the SCT booth, a brand that you might associate with Ford, but for the last few years, they've been making a lot of tuning products for different manufacturers, and if you're the owner of a Dodge Cummins diesel, they got something really interesting you're going to want to hear about. We got a chance to pull aside Jonathan, one of the engineers from SCT. Jonathan, the turbo diesel market has just blown up in popularity over the last few years, and tuning these trucks, though, can be a real issue with all the EPA restrictions. Tell us a little bit about these new products you've released.
So with this product, this is a 2018 Ram 3500 with the Ison, so this is the high output motor. What we've gone and have been able to do is really accentuate the performance of this engine. So right now we're picking up a little over 100 horse and 240 foot-pounds of torque at the rear wheels, which equates to 440 horse and 850 at the rear wheels. 100% emissions compliant. You can still use this as a truck. It's not a dyno queen. And more importantly, we give you an overall improved experience, improved drivability, increased fuel economy, and in this application specifically, we even give you better performance of the engine braking.
And there's a few different products for the market, right? Take us through the lineup and how these customers are going to use these products.
We have three primary products. We have the GTX, the BDX, and also the X4.
Got it. And can you break down for us sort of what the differences are between those units and how the customers might use them to get more performance out of the vehicle? Is it just plug and play, or are they the more sophisticated tuning tools?
Absolutely. So the feature set is pretty similar for all three of them. A lot of it is plug and play. One of the main differences between them is the GTX allows you to have a on-dash screen, an interface. It's touch screen, so you get all your engine parameters right there. You get your DTCs clearing, all of that stuff. With your BDX, that's more of a plug and play, throw it in the glove box type thing. With both of those products, you get up to 20 custom tuning slots. And they're just really great products. You can update over Wi-Fi or one-to-one with your laptop. And with the X4, you also allow Wi-Fi updating, but I think it has 15 slots instead.
Awesome. Talk about emissions compliance a little bit. I know that's a big issue in this industry. How have you guys tackled that problem, and what are people going to expect from these products?
Well, with the emissions compliance, what we do is we go in, we build the calibrations, we test them on the road in multiple conditions, altitude, temperature, everything. And then once we feel like we have a product that we can stand behind, then we send it out to SEMA Garage and other places like that to have it emissions tested. And then once we get the thumbs up from that, we then can step forward and release the product.
That's great. 50 state legal?
That is the plan, to be 50 state legal. We're waiting on paperwork to come back to be able to do that.
That's a really big deal. So thank you so much, Jonathan. Really appreciate the time. And look for these products on Motoroso.com. You can browse these and over 1 million top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free with no minimum. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for all of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.